Claude AI can integrate with Canvas through connectors available in the Claude desktop app. This connection allows Claude to access selected Canvas courses and content, enabling AI-assisted course management, assignment drafting, grading support, and workflow automation. This tutorial outlines the steps to link both platforms. Steps to connect Claude AI to Canvas. First, open the Claude desktop app on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac. Ensure you are logged into your Claude account before continuing. Once the app is open, look for the Customize option. This is typically found in the menu next to Skills. Inside Customize, locate a section called Connectors. This section allows you to link Claude with other tools, such as Canvas, Google Drive, or Slack. Click on Connectors. You will see a list of available connectors. Click Browse Connectors at the top right. Type Canvas in the search bar and press Enter. Scroll through the list until you find Canvas. Then click on it to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. This requires logging into your Canvas account. Follow the on-screen steps, enter your login details, typically your institution's Canvas URL and credentials, and continue. After logging in, you will be asked to select the Canvas courses you want to connect. Choose the appropriate courses and confirm your selection. Once all permissions and course selections are confirmed, the connection will be established. Claude is now linked with Canvas. Limitation. The specific features available through the Claude Canvas connector depend on the version of the desktop app and your Claude subscription tier. Conclusion. Connecting Claude AI to Canvas involves opening the Claude desktop app, navigating to Customize and Connectors, searching for Canvas, authorizing the connection through your Canvas account, and selecting the desired courses. Once linked, Claude can interact with selected Canvas content based on the connector's permissions and capabilities.